This is a better way to cut glass bottles. It'll increase your success rate to almost 100%. My name is John Cook. My friends call me Johnny. This video isn't about me. It's about a very simple glass bottle cutting machine I call Sammy. The challenge I faced was to make a machine that cuts square, round, oval, oblong glass bottles, both large and small, and control the glass cutting debris and dust. A machine that's lightweight, easy to clean, easy to store, with very few moving parts, easy to build, low cost, teachable as a DIY project, and I think I'm going to need a little magic. Looks like we got a lot of bottles ready to cut. This is going to take some time, but the bottles range from tall ones, oblong, square, round, and I even have my new moonshine bottle, lower right, ready to go. So you're going to see that in a future project. First of all, some of the things that you're going to need to cut the bottles, you need to have a stack. This is a bunch of wood or books or whatever to support the bottle so that it holds the bottle up to the cut line where the disc is. So you need to determine where you want to cut the bottle, and then you need to have something that'll hold the bottle up to that line. You'll need to take some popsicle sticks or whatever and make little inserts. These are little pieces of wood that you stick into the cut after you've made the cut, and it supports the bottle so that the bottle doesn't prematurely crack. You're sort of like repairing the wound, if you will, but it works really well. And to get these pieces of wood to go into that cut area of the bottle when you're doing the cuts, you need to maybe sand the tip just a little bit. Start the Makita grinder, place the bottle on the stack against the stop bracket and up against the faceplate. Advance the bottle to the right until it starts cutting. Rotate the bottle until it's cut about halfway around. Then stop, slide the bottle forward, and stop the machine. I use popsicle stick inserts, hot glue, blue tape to support the bottle so it doesn't collapse during the final cut. I use a portable glue gun. I put drops of hot glue up above and below the cut, and then I insert the spacers. On round bottles, I make 3 cuts total. I stop after the first cut, turn the grinder and shop back off, then proceed to place the inserts. I make the second cut, I repeat the process, and finally, the last cut is done. The spacers keep the bottle from collapsing when you make the final cut. My experience has been they always collapse unless you do this. The bottle on the left is the raw cut bottle, the one that you saw that we started with in the video. And the bottle on the right is after about 10 minutes worth of sanding. The bottle on the right could probably use some more sanding, both the top and the bottom, if you're going to use that bottom piece. And you also can take the bottle and rotate the edge a little bit on the sanding machine to make sure that that edge is rolled over a little bit. Then I take some sandpaper on a round piece of closet pole, and I lightly sand the inside edge so that it's nice and smooth and easy to handle. Go to my YouTube channel, What's New Johnny's YouTube channel, and see Leroy, the sanding machine. Now to turn it into a little bottle candle, I thought this is really a nice sized bottle. It's sitting on one of What's New Johnny's candle bases that allow the air to go in and feed that candle so it burns brightly. But I thought what I would do is go ahead and make this, and I did. And the way I made it is I took a stencil that I got on Amazon, and I digitized it. I put it on the bottle as a vinyl mask, and then I taped off the rest of the bottle, and I sandblasted the design into the face of the bottle. It turned out really nice. You know, I think this little bottle candle is really great, but on the other extreme, here I've used that large vodka bottle and I put it on one of What's New Johnny's bases, and I sandblasted a winter design on the bottle. This is a little bit more work, it's a little bit more challenging, but I think it's really, really a great 360-degree bottle candle. You can go to whatsnewjohnny.com. You can download our new catalog. It tells you how to order the candle bases. We've got about 20 or 25 different candle bases for different size bottle openings. And you can download this free catalog. And you can also order the plans for Sammy. They're really easy to follow. This is a low-cost project. I estimated at $150. The plans are $25 and they're well worth it. It maybe took me 20 or 25 hours, and I think you really enjoy doing it. And while you're there, make sure you download the catalog. This is the new way to cut glass bottles, and I think you'll find you'll improve your success rate maybe to 100%, or even more if you're a little bit lucky. Anyway, thanks again for watching the video. The video will loop so you can watch it again. Thank you, and adios.